Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I seen the decimator go by. What was it? I got a capillary that looks extremely bad at skeleton. Ready? Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes! Please be something good. Oh! It's a huntsman. Fuck yes! Finally something nice, dude. I didn't get shit from those. Yeah. Fuck, dude.
Beautiful, babe.
Hell yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. Dude, I seen it coming. I was like, oh my god. It's beautiful.
So pretty. It's actually a really good fade, too.
I love it.
I like that a lot. Good shit.
Man.
Looks like we're not gonna get a knife. Normally my luck is pretty good. I get a knife in the new cases, but it looks like that won't happen this time. This time around, not so lucky. Sorry, I saw reds going by. Usually when you see reds go by, it's a knife. What's wrong? Hey, waste of money. Oh, just kidding. Told you. Always get a knife. It's a stat track. Nice. That's my first stat track knife I've ever opened. That was almost my last fucking case. Let's open my last two.
That is pristine.
Oh my god. That looks factory. Okay, I see it.
I haven't got a seasons yet, dude. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Please, 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 please. Please be factory new. Please be factory new. Please be factory new.
It looks
If that's
factory.
factory new, then it's the rarest.
I got a knife. Fuck yes! Oh, holy shit! Fuck yes!
Haze, I just want like a really nice. Oh no! Knife! Knife! Spectrum knife! Spectrum knife! Spectrum knife! Oh! Star Trek! Butterfly Tiger Tooth! Oh! Star Trek! Butterfly Tiger Tooth! Oh my god! LOL! Oh my god! Oh! LOL! Oh my god! Oh my god! Star Trek! Butterfly Tiger Tooth! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Papa! What the Papa? Kolla! Star Trek Butterfly Tiger Tooth! Pappa! Nya kniven! Hugg! Pappa! Oh, I owe this my like 4th case! Oh. Papa! Yes! Dude, what the F factory new fucking yes! Oh! Va? Oh my god, okay. The one knife I said I wanted is Butterfly Tiger Tooth kinda, like when this came out. F1, I opened a Star Trek Butterfly Tiger Tooth.
Tästä näin. Musta tuntuu, että mun on pakko myydä tää, vaikka tää onkin törkeä hieno, tää on statti. Ei tää missään parhaimmassa kunnossa, mutta tästä mä voin saada profitit koko tähän case openingiin, mikäli se menee kaupaksi. Ihan törkeen kovat säkä. Ei oo ikinä, oi ja se meni AK ohitte. Ei oo totta! Ei oo totta! Ei helvetissä! Mitä? Mitä? Mä voin huutaa kelloa paljon. Onks tää vittu unta? Ei oo vittu totta! Kattokaa missä kunnossa on. Factory Factory nu, Bowie Knife, vittu Tiger Tooth, mitä perkelettä? Onks kukaan vittu edes avannut tämmöstä? Holy fucking shit! Holy shit! Ei oo vittu myyty! Tää keissi tuli just myyntiin! Vittu Bowie Knife! Oot sä helvetti tosissas? Oh my fucking god! Mä vittu... Nyt mä oon kaiken nähnyt. Herran mun vittu Jeesus, oikeesti.
Causa que não saquei nenhuma.
Podes fazer contrato com essas.
Yeah, mas contrato agora não sei se chega a compensar.
Acho que não vale a pena agora fazer.
Porque as skins estão mesmo a preços altos. Neste momento. Népia, deixa-me cartas novas! What the fuck? Oh meu Deus, eu saquei uma Bowie Knife Ruby, mano! Saquei uma Bowie Knife Ruby, eu não me acredito! Estou tão feliz! What the fuck, man? Vocês não têm noção do preço disto. Isto vale mais de 1500 euros, mano. Já não estou a brincar.
Fábrica, original de fábrica.
Isto vale mais de 1500, mano. Népia. What the fuck? Eixe, eu não estou bem, mas...
Não acredito!
É que para quem não sabe, estas facas não existiam ainda em Doppler. E sai uma Doppler, mas tipo, Ruby, man! What?
Mano, eu tenho sempre sorte sempre que eu estou em casa do Tiago sai-lhe uma faca, mano.
Mano,
Oh,
Bowie
meu
Knife Doppler
Deus!
Ruby!